Hey guys, so today I will show you all how to make your own malunggay oil for hair growth and to thicken your hair, and also this can help control your hair fall. So let's get started. Moringa is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting thicker hair and reducing hair loss. It is rich in vitamin A, B, C, E, minerals, zinc, iron, amino acid, and antioxidants that nourishes the scalp and hair follicles and improves blood circulation because it is abundant in essential nutrients that targets the roots of thinning hair and hair loss while also encouraging fuller, healthier hair. Now the oils that I chose to accompany this is, first of all, castor oil, because castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that promotes blood circulation to the scalp, thus stimulating hair growth. The fatty acid in the oil are able to penetrate the hair and scalp effectively, so it can strengthen the hair, thicken the hair, and moisturize both your hair and scalp. Now the next oil that I chose is the coconut oil, because coconut oil is high in fatty acid, especially the lauric acid, which penetrates the hair shaft deeply, helping to reduce protein loss and keep the hair hydrated. And we all know that this is crucial for preventing breakage and support healthy hair growth. It can also prevent hair loss, dandruff. And then the last one is crucial. I am going to add in rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is a powerful natural remedy known for promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. Its stimulating and antioxidant properties make it especially beneficial for improving scalp health and strengthening hair follicles. Alright, now so in a bowl, I already have 2 tablespoons of moringa powder in there. And then I will do a 50-50 proportion when it comes to the castor oil and the coconut oil. So basically that's 50% castor oil and 50% coconut oil. And then in there, of course, I added in 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix them all together. I specifically chose these oils because they can penetrate the scalp and not really just sit on top of your hair. So meaning it is going to be more effective. And from here, you can actually do the cold press version and just allow this to marinate for a day or even longer before using it. Or you can warm this up just like I did. I did the double boiling method, not the direct heat. So I just let it sit in there and then let it cool down. And then from here, you can also leave it marinating in there overnight. And then after that, you can transfer it in the container of your choice. By the way, you can use a strainer if you don't want to include any moringa powder in your oils, if you don't want to leave traces of that oils. So you could either use a cheesecloth for that to filter out the powder. Now for me, I use a dropper on mine just so that it would be easy to apply and of course less contamination. And I know that it kind of looks dark here, but as you can see, it's actually green in color and you want it to be this potent. Alright, so when it comes to the application, section your hair and apply it on your scalp. Make sure that all of your head is fully coated. Now you could apply this all over your hair too actually, but it is not needed or essential if your aim is just for hair growth or to prevent dandruff or to stop your excessive hair fall. And also don't forget to apply this not only on the top part of your hair but also on the sides and the back of your head as well. Now I'm going to say this once again, but you do not have to apply a lot, because that is not necessary to do, okay? Just apply sparingly. Your hair doesn't have to look like it's dripping off of the oil once you're done with this. And of course, do a 3 to 5 minute scalp massage. And you can leave this on your hair for an hour max, and then just go ahead and wash it off with your shampoo. Now personally for me, I think it's great to use warm, especially if you have low porosity hair. And this also works best when you apply it on clean scalp so that your scalp can fully absorb the oils here versus applying it on dirty hair. So that's about it. Now this is one of my favorite hair growth oils that I'm using right now because it is super easy to make. By the way, if you all are interested to where I got the ingredients, I'm gonna link them in the description box of this video. And also I find that the moringa powder is ideal to use versus the fresh one because the shelf life is going to be longer. And this oil as well is ideal to use for dry scalp and for preventing dandruff too. So this promotes healthy scalp, which is really great if you want to grow healthy long hair or even prevent hair fall. And also I really do highly recommend that you all get moringa and add that in your hair care arsenal because it has a lot of health and hair benefits. So that is it, you guys. And also just to let you guys know, the shelf life of this oil can actually last for 2 months. It depends on how you store it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.